Okay, we want to show you this cool product. It's called Surfer Prep. It's a degreaser, disinfectant, viricide, fungicide, mildewstat, deodorizer. We're going to clean this car frame as a sample. All you have to do is just spray it. I'll stop in between and show you guys what we do when we start cleaning it. Okay, so we just sprayed the whole part. John Deere's just busy giving it a little brush. This product likes to be activated, so it likes friction. So if you give it a good scrub, you'll rinse and clean it properly. Okay, I'm just going to wait for him to do this and then update you. Okay, John Deere is finishing up the scrubbing. A few cool things Surfer Prep can do. It can remove blood. It kills HIV virus, influenza, and a whole bunch of other viruses. I'm going to ask him now to just throw some water on, just rinse it off, and it should just wash away all of this dirt and grease on this. Wonderful. Looking clean. Let's just compare it here with the back side. I think certain areas you'll just have to go in a second time. So let's just inspect it here. Give it another little wash on a couple of areas. Okay, this thing is now nice and clean. It's actually for a friend's car that needs to be fixed. So that thing's nice and clean. Using Surfer Prep. It can be used in many industries. It doesn't cross contaminate, so you can clean bathrooms, kitchens, floors, walls, whatever you need to clean. Nice 7-in-1 performance.